What are you doing? What are you doing?
Green.
You're painting green? What are you painting?
Yellow.
Yellow next? What's this? What are you putting the paint on? Oh, that looks good.
What's that?
Here, we'll turn it around.
What's that?
That's red.
Painting
Here, you could use this one.
that one.
Yeah.
Second one.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a little paintbrush.
Little pink brush.
What are you doing?
Pink.
You're painting? What are you painting?
Grandma's mommy's pink.
Yeah.
Where's Grandma?
Where's Grandma? She's at home. Are you painting pumpkins?
Yeah.
What is this right here?
Green.
Yeah? Is this a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Can you say pumpkin?
Yeah.
Say pumpkin.
Come on.
Is that a humpin'?
Papa eating me dress.
Piper was eating your dress?
Yeah.
It's okay. Mommy get it.